Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Skoda Kodiaq SE. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 39,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic graphite grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats on the Kodiaq are really comfy and supportive. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control there on the left-hand stalk. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirrors and full window controls. The Kodiaq's a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own 12-volt charging socket there in the centre, as well as 2 air vents. Opening the tailgate reveals a really good sized boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.